the envelope to put our pattern into once it's all prepared. So I'm just going to come along and I'm just going to put the things in which I want to go on to it, so that we know that this is what goes with this particular pattern. Just get the end off that so it fits on the paper. Okay, so we've got the instructions for putting our buttons on, how much fabric we need. This one, it just says adjust the pattern to your child's size. There, put that there beside it. Let's cut that down. I think they cut that top bit off on there when I put that on there. So that and that with the picture. Okay, and this is the address of my website. Tells you the name of the pattern here. You can find, this is the actual instructions for the pattern. So if you go onto that one there, obviously you can't click on it because it's not there, but that will, you've got that forever to keep now, so that you know where to find all the instructions. You've got the information about the buttons, and you've got the information about how much fabric you need. So I'm just going to come in now and sellotape all of this to the actual envelope. Now, if you'd rather, you could sellotape it to a piece of paper and store your pattern in a plastic wallet, if you'd rather not put it in a paper envelope, but I quite like them in paper envelopes. They seem to just take up less space, so just going to stick them down. You could just stick this on with a prick stick if you prefer. So I'll go ahead and I'll stick all that down. Okay. And all these envelopes are really roomy, so you can get all of the paper pieces in there and all of your other bits there. Surprisingly, you can get loads in there, as you can see. Okay, and it keeps them nice and flat. Everything stays nice and flat inside, and you don't get anything rumpled up. It's a really good way to store things.